You reading your book, baby? Hello everyone, I'm sharing a recipe from my bedroom because I have no kitchen right now, and that's perfect for this video because I've teamed up with T-Fell. I don't know about you guys, but as a new mum, making a meal in a pressure cooker in 10 minutes, ideal. So this is it. It comes in this box. This is the T-Fell Cook For Me Touch with Wi-Fi. It's a high pressure multi-cooker, digital pressure cooker. All the features are on the box, and this is what we're using today. So instead of making a beef stew, we're gonna make a seasonal winter vegetable stew. Exactly, autumn's coming. I've got carrots, we've got squash, potatoes, shiitake mushrooms. They're rich in umami. Baby is here watching me, so if you hear the he's here. Because he's gonna be a chef one day, innit, babe? Yeah? Yeah, I got a big smile. Prep time, super simple. With the carrots, we're just gonna chop them up nice and small. I'm not gonna take the skins off because these are organic. And this, baby, you can't move the tripod. You can't move the tripod. I need it, okay? I need it still. We're gonna cut them into little circles. We're gonna have a lot of cool different textures and colors and flavors. You watching mummy? Got a regular potato. So we're just gonna do it in chunks. I've got these beautiful shiitake mushrooms, and they're gonna bring such an umami deliciousness to it. So I'm not gonna spend too much time on it. It's just a rough chop into bite-sized pieces. So I got this bad boy squash. I'm gonna cut it in half first. Yeah. Even though I've peeled these, when you have kind of leftover raw vegetables, just the skins, any bit that you're gonna discard, you can actually save it for the week, freeze it, and you can save it to make a stock. Stocks are so useful in the winter season, so don't throw away the skins. Now I'm gonna cut the squash into little chunks. Again, you could use pumpkin. There's tons of pumpkins about. It's Halloween season. Now I'm gonna cook half of it today, and I'm actually gonna save this for a soup. Did you see the little head run past? My sous chef. Yeah? Yeah. You just stay there though, little man. You stay there. Beautiful, beautiful leek. Leek brings such a delicious flavor to what you're making. And I'm just gonna slice it in little thin slices because I still actually want some of that texture. You do not need a big fancy kitchen to make a recipe like this. You just need a chopping board and your big T-Fell pressure cooker. Loads of garlic. I've got loads. I'm gonna use a couple cloves. How many should we use, baby boy? How many is that? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got all this delicious garlic. So lastly, we've got the cauliflower. So we're gonna keep the leaves because we can actually use them. Don't throw them away, don't discard them. Their flavor, they're nice. If you roast them with garlic, salt and pepper, really delicious, lemon juice. We're actually just gonna add them in later, or I'll save it for a vegetable stock. So, cauliflower. So with the cauliflower, I just cut them into little pieces, and this is gonna last the next couple days. So this is all touchscreen, which is amazing. You can literally search for the recipe that you're looking for on this full color touchscreen, and it has exactly what you need to do step by step with instructions, which is also waterproof. There's a free app, recipe app, with all of the recipes. As you can see here, this is the one we're making, but we're not going to use the beef. We're going to swap that out, keep it with the seasonal vegetables, and it shows you step by step how to do it. We're not going to do it in 40 minutes. We're going to do it in 10 minutes. That is the challenge because it is vegan. We can do this. The app and the digital pressure cooker comes with over 150 recipes that you can cook within 10 minutes, which is really pretty cool. All the ingredients are prepped. That takes like 4 minutes max. Chop your vegetables. Now we are going to add, we're going to use the setting high fry for 2 minutes just to brown our ingredients. I've also got some fresh rosemary. I'm just going to add in there. I feel like rosemary. You could use thyme. You could do any of your favorite herbs. Also got some bay leaves. Black pepper, my basic salt. You know, I like the chef's kiss. I like the with the molten sea salt, but that's fine. We are adding layers, we are adding seasoning. just gonna saute. This is great. This is all going in one pot, which is my book, One Pot, Three Ways. I actually have a recipe very similar to this in my cookbook. One pot, 3 ways. So now we are just gonna add in some red wine, some garlic, our carrots, potatoes and squash, cauliflower, give it a mix, mushrooms, our chopped tomatoes, vegetable stock, and that is how easy it is. You just gotta throw everything into this big pot. You're reading your book, baby? Yeah. So once it's all in there, you literally just want to set it to cook for 10 minutes in the express cooker setting. 10 minutes are up, and this is our final feast. I'm just going to top it off with some fresh parsley, chili flakes or red pepper flakes, just for a little bit of heat, which is really nice. A little splash of nutritional yeast if you like, and this is your finished meal. 10 minutes of digital pressure cooking. It's so simple. You can also just close the top and you can keep it on a warm setting until you're ready to eat it. I won't put that spoon back in, but that is delicious. Essentially what you get in 10 minutes in that super slick T-felt is a delicious hearty meal for the family, seasonal ingredients, lots of nutrients, nice warm flavors. You can make enough that you have enough for the next week, couple of days. You can serve this with like a celeriac mash, a sweet potato one, brown rice. You could add some green vegetable, you could add some chard, broccoli, kale, spinach, and just really make use of those seasonal delicious ingredients. Fill yourself up, feel warm. That is so delicious. Oh yes. Oh yes. Well, I hope you liked this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did. 10-minute meal. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna make it. I am new to having a pressure cooker, so I'm gonna make more recipes like this. Let me know in the comments if there's any particular recipes you want to see. I don't have a kitchen right now, it's getting redone, so we're just gonna figure it out on the go. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you make the stew and it makes you happy like it made me happy today. All right, bye. You can literally search for the recipe that you're looking for on this full color touchscreen, and it has exactly what you need to do step by step with instructions. Also, there's a free app, recipe app, with all of the recipes. As you can see here, this is the one we're making, but we're not going to use the beef. We're going to swap that out, keep it with the seasonal vegetables, and it shows you step by step how to do it. We're not going to do it in 40 minutes. We're going to do it in 10 minutes. That is the challenge because it is vegan. We can do this.